Hello, today we will see what is data extraction in Uipath document understanding. So, we have seen in document understanding how we can deal with a semi-structured, structured and unstructured document with help of the machine learning and AI components. How we can go with taxonomy, how we can digitize the document, how we can classify the document, and how we can extract the document. So data extraction is a component in the document understanding framework that helps in identify very specific information that you are interested in. We are extracting exact information like invoice ID, customer ID, customer name. So we are extracting that specific field here. To extract data from document, you can use one or more extractor. So we have several extractor. So in a single document as well, we can use multiple extractor as well. As the scope activity has the role of configuring and executing one or more algorithms for data extraction and of offering an easy unitary configuration option for all your needs. That means we can use multiple extractor in a single document as well. So form extractor, if your document have little to no variations means a fixed format document like invoice, bills. In the document layout, then the form extractor is a good choice. If we are dealing with, if you are automating a fixed formatted document, then form extractor is a good choice. The activity supports both simple field and table field extraction. If you want to extract a tabular data from a PDF or any, use form extractor. Intelligent form extractor. The intelligent form extractor is a specified tool for processing fixed layout document for data extraction. That is building on top of the form extractor and adding extra capabilities such as form extractor have the fixed format capabilities, or you can say if we want to automate, if you want to dealing with fixed format document, we are using form extractor. Here also intelligent form extractor, we are dealing with same kind of data, but additionally they are provided if any handwritten document, any handwritten scan document or any signature type of document, signature detection, maybe it's printed or a handwritten. So if we are dealing with this type of document, we can use intelligent form extractor. Machine learning extractor. The machine learning approach is strongly recommended for structure or semi-structured document. Here fixed format document or unfixed format document. If we are dealing with any fixed format document or of unfixed format document like structure or unstructured document, in this type of scenario we can use machine learning extractor. If document do not follow text or layout pattern, the machine learning extractor may be a good options for your use case. RegEx based extractor, regular expression based extractor. The RegEx based extractor is the perfect tool for simple use case in which for certain fields data is always found in a strict predicted format and context. It's simple. If you want to fetch a particular field from a specific document, a fixed format document, for example if you want to fetch a invoice ID from the invoice, then we can use RegEx based extractor. So in this example, the first step is a load a taxonomy, second digitize document, classify document, and the fourth step is a data extraction. If you see here, I have used form extractor, machine learning extractor and regex based extractor. If I'll open this, you will see in a single document as well I can use form extractor, machine learning extractor, or regex based extractor. So it's depend how feasible, how the document is, what kind of document we are automating. So on the basis of that we can choose which type of extractor we can use here. Okay, so next video I will explain all these things in a practical way. Okay, so thanks for joining, thanks for watching this video, do subscribe my channels, and thanks again.